Hey guys, what's up? In this part we will prepare circuit board of self-balancing robot. This board is designed on diptrace and fabricated from JLCPCB. First we will solder header pins on the PCB. Solder pins one by one carefully. Ensure not to short any of the connection. Now solder header pins of A4988 drivers. Install and solder capacitor on the PCB. After MPU 6050 sensor pins, now it's time to solder Bluetooth module header pins. Solder male header pins for power supply. Now our PCB is almost ready, we just need to solder DC to DC voltage converter on the board. Make sure the polarity and direction of voltage is correct. Solder male header pins for stepper motors. All the soldering work is completed and now it's time to check 5-volt supply on the DC converter. Now install all components on the board one by one. Then supply power. If everything is perfectly done, your board will boot successfully. Congratulations, your board is now ready.